This year for Christmas, my beaver assistant bought me an epic Christmas gift. It's a smart birdhouse with a built-in camera. It's got solar panels on the roof, plugs in, fully waterproof, smart bird feeder. Check it out. Comes with a pole that you stick in the ground. I installed it in the yard with the rest of my bird feeders, so I should be able to get some background shots of the other birds. You can even talk through the thing and listen. It's almost like a webcam with birds. Now on my phone, I receive constant notifications whenever a bird shows up. It also tells me what kind of bird it is, if it knows. Let's check the accuracy of this chestnut-backed chickadee. Looks right to me. Let's check out some live footage. There's a chickadee grabbing a black-shelled sunflower seed. And another one. We sometimes get nuthatches as well, but mostly chickadees. Sure don't have much snow this year. What the heck is that thing? Thanks for watching my video. Have a Merry Christmas.